फुलं मांडायला तयार आहे तर काय तर पाऊस तर
Now
सगळ्यांचा
we are
टाइम
going to see film sets, fountains, and gardens. Are you ready? Yes. Look at the right side देखिए. बाहर से दिल्ली small garden, अंदर से Mysore Vrindavan garden. Right side देखिए ना. It is two-in-one garden. Mostly mostly used for pre-wedding shoots. You can see in PS1 and PS2 movies. Look at your left side देखिए. Musical Glow Garden. It starts at 6:30 p.m.
तुम्ही बघायचं काम करा मी व्हिडिओ काढतो फक्त तुम्ही बघा फक्त
Again, look at the left side देखिए. Sierra Garden. It is famous for romantic sound shoots. In that picture, Ulala sound also shot there. July O Madhu song ikkade shoot చేశారు. Look at the right side देखिए. Angel Fountain. It is the tallest fountain in Ramoji Film City. You can see this fountain in all the best movie. In the picture, all the best में देखिए movie.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Look at the left side देखिए. Umbrella Garden. Trees are trimmed in umbrella shape.
पुढे अमरेला गाडी
Again, left side देखिए. Limelight Garden. It is famous for corporate events and wedding shoots. You can see this garden in Dilwale movie. Church scene, a climax scene was shot in this garden. And Son of Satyamurthy movie, Pandavulu Tumpada movie lo చూడొచ్చు. The capacity of this garden is 2,500 members.
कोणाचं लग्न लावायचंय
Look at your left side देखिए ऊपर top देखिए sir, Hawa Mahal. You can see 60% of Ramoji Film City from there. It is your dropping point 5. Fifth dropping point.
ड्रॉइंग करणार
Again, look at the left side देखिए circular garden, Karishma garden. According to hero heroine costumes, flowers will be planted. Red color dress, red color flowers. Those are natural flowers. Look at your right and left देखिए sir. Any guess of this route? A famous movie. Clue is NTR. NTR movie में देखिए. Any guess?
जूनियर एनटीआर
Junior NTR. Junior NTR. Sir? RRR movie.
Yes,
Triple
yes.
R movie.
ट्रिपल आर
Jenny's man car puncture scene was shot in this route.
कार पंक्चर शॉट ते कार पंक्चर झालं शॉट नाही काही तर घेतलाय त्या ब्रिटिश मुलीचा अंग्रेज मुली
Look at your left side देखिए. Equipment department. You can take rental base for shooting purpose. Camera lights.
इक्विपमेंट
Look at your right side देखिए. Jet fountain. It is attachable and detachable. You can see Chris 3 movie. This statue was replaced in the jet. Again, look at your right side देखिए. MP building, multi-purpose building. One side court, one side university, one side any guess?
पोलीस स्टेशन
Chandramukhi building, Lakha building. And also KGF movie, Mehbooba song also shot in this building.
वाव
KGF.
के जे मूवी मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे ना
Or you watch Magadira movie?
या
Magadira movie.
Yeah.
You can guess this route in Magadira movie. No sir. You can guess this route in Ram Charan bike entry scene was shot in this route. Look at your right side top, you can see the red colored temple. ऊपर देखिए sir, right side देखिए top, red colored temple. In Chennai Express movie, Meenamma's temple. Yes, yes.
वेर इज द टेम्पल
Yes, sir, yes.
1000 steps
I can see this movie. Look at your right side देखिए. You can see the steps in Chennai Express movie. In movie 200 steps, here 30 steps only. Yes. we are going. Now we are going to see North Indian set and South Indian set.
हा बघ इथं बघ.
Now we are entering to North Indian set.
सिटी आहे बघ ही पूर्ण घरासारखे घर आहेत. अरे
Look at the left side देखिए गुरुद्वार.
गुरुद्वारा पण.
गोल्ड कलर गोल्डन टेम्पल.
गोल्डन टेम्पल आहे. मूवी मध्ये दाखवतात बघ.
Again look at the left side देखिए बुलंद दरवाजा. You can see in Chava movie. Yes. You can see this shoot in Triple R movie, Janta Garage, Lucky Bhaskar, Gopala Gopala movie also.
बॉम्बे गॅरेज.
Again look at the left side देखिए Masjid. If you paint white color, Taj Mahal
ताजमहल.
in movies only. Again look at the left side, straight देखिए sir. Mumbai Gateway of India.
दिस गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया मिसमॅच.
तयार करून घेतात.
Anybody watch Srimantudu movie? Mahesh Babu with Shruti Hassan. Yes. Look at the right side देखिए in Srimantudu movie Shruti Hassan hostel.
हॉस्टेल.
Look at the left side देखिए Bengali typical houses. You can see in Sam Singra movie and Lucky Bhaskar movie. Yes, Lucky Bhaskar.
लकी भास्कर.
Again look at the left side देखिए three houses. You can see the three houses, right? Yes. Those are flexible houses. In one house, 4 different elevations. One is hero's house, one is heroine's house. First house you can see Attarinti Daredi movie. Second house Dilwale movie, Kajal's house. Third house Rebel star Prabhas house in Rebel movie. Rebel movie. Again look at the left side देखिए helipad. At a time 3 helicopters will be land here. You can see Game Changer movie.
गेम चेंजर.
Look at your right side देखिए. बाहर से women's jail, अंदर से any guess?
बघू दे मला.
బయట women's jail ఉంటుంది లోపల ఉంటుంది ఏం చేసే కదా.
टेम्पल.
Women's beauty parlor. Once entry no exit. Now we are entering to South Indian states. Chor Bazaar.
चोर बाजार बघा. चोर बाजार.
Take care of belongings. We are entering to the Chor Bazaar.
मुंबई चोर बाजार.
Look at your left side देखिए center. If you place Gandhi statue, Gandhi Nahar, Nehru statue, Nehru Nahar, Mera statue, Mera Nahar. Mostly used for market scenes. You can see Gabbar Singh movie and Singham Returns and Basha movie also. And in Pushpa movie, Pushpa song also shot here.
पुष्प मूवीचं शॉट इथं घेतलेलं आहे ना.
Look at your right side देखिए Pushpa police station. Shikawat.
शिकावत. टाकला शिकावत. पोलीस स्टेशन.
नहीं सर. नहीं. ये शूटिंग नहीं है सर. सेटिंग है. Look at your left side देखिए white building. दिलवाला movie Shahrukh Khan garage. Again look at your left side देखिए Dance Master Gunasekhar house in Chandramukhi movie. These are South Indian village sets. You can see Chennai Express movie, Meenamma's village. The total, pura.
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेसमध्ये यायचे. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेसमध्ये चेन्नई.
And also Bahubali tax collecting scene also shot in this village setting.
बाहुबली.
These are POP buildings, plaster of Paris. बाहर से beautiful buildings, अंदर से जंगल. Ladies and gentlemen, look at your right side देखिए. Ramoji groups of corporate office and ETV Bharat. Those are original buildings, not sets. ETV Bharat telecast 13 languages, 23 states from here onwards.
ETV भारत.
Or you watch Bahubali movie, right?
Yes.
Look at the left side देखिए. Climax scene, Kattappa kills Bahubali scene was shot there only.
तिकडं वरती डोंगरावर मारलं का?
I like to say general information about Ramoji Film City. The late Ramoji Raghav purchased this land in 1991. Construction starts in 1992. The film city starts in 1995. The total Ramoji Film City is 2000 acres. In first movie in Ramoji Film City, Mananu Pelli in Telugu, Bade Miya, Chote Miya in Hindi. Look at your right and left. Two sides like this, sir. This route is used for forest diverse scenes. You can see in Pushpa movie. Please remember the show timings having two shows in Eureka. At starting point, two shows is there. One is Wild West Show and another one is Spirit of Ramoji Show. 5 o'clock Spirit of Ramoji Show is last show. At 5:30 Wild West Show is last show. We are going to jail soon. Jail. Are you ready to go to jail?
Yeah.
Jail. Without any bail. Look at the right side, they can medium shooting floor.
Without
it is
bail.
used for serial shootings. Look at your right side, they get glass building. It is used for pop scenes. You can see DJ Tillu movie, Pro movie, Athari Indigidare. Look at the left side, trackless railway station with number of tires. You can see Chennai Express movie, Lungi Dance song also shot there. Now we are entering to Bhopal Central Jail without doing any crime.
जेलमध्ये आलो बघा आपण. कैदी बघा, कैदी बघा, कैदी बघा. हलवतोय बघा.
You can see this jail in Indian Auditorium of Pankaj Prabha movie, Jailer. You can see this jail. Recently released OG movie also. Look at the right side, देखिए blue building, Jawan movie, Nayanthara's jail. Look at the left side, देखिए Drishyam movie, dead body hiding scene was shot here.
Oh.
Yes. How is your jail experience? अच्छा है. 5-star jail experience.
पैसा वसूल. इथे कुठून मागची गाडी यायची.
Look at the right side देखिए. Sahas, Asia's finest adventure, having two complimentary rides for all. One is sumo suit and another one is happy peaks. Two complimentary rides, two free rides. Remaining are chargeable.
कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी
Those are adventure activities. We have best adventure activities in Sahas.
मलिका.
It is your dropping point 3. Look at the right and left buildings. Right and left, देखिए sir. These buildings are big shooting floors. In Ramoji Film City, 10 big shooting floors is there.
इकडं पण आहे, इकडं पण आहे बघ.
Now we are going to see mythological set, Bhagavatam set in big shooting floor.
रवीचं नातं चालू असतं ती बोलतीच नाही.
पाईप सगळे आहेत ना त्याला.
Look at the left देखिए. Mythological set, Bhagavatam set. It is your first dropping point. First dropping point. You need to change 5 to 6 buses to complete your tour. You have next bus from railway station to Bahubali. You can go any red color bus from here onwards. Thank you. Have a nice day.